First up, we have
Nathan K2.
Cloud. So you're Cloud Boy, and you can turn into a cloud by pressing space. Now, I'm obviously very, very good at this game, you guys, and you need to take me seriously as a gamer from now on. This is such a cool concept because the mechanics and how the player moves changes when you become a cloud. The level design is also very, very good, and there's so much to explore. You guys got to play this game. Patrick S has a different take on the butterfly clicker. You're not actually clicking butterflies, you're clicking buttons. Let's go ahead and skip through this intro, which intro is amazing, Patrick, but we got to get to the gameplay. It's just that good. Okay, so check this out. So the shop drops down, we have upgrades here, and instead of clicking on butterflies, we click on a button and the butterflies are added to their cage here, which is so cool. And as we get more clicks, we can buy upgrades. And I played this game for way too long. I think I might have overflown Scratch's variables. Anyways, awesome job, Patrick. Paul P1 has this beautiful red belt project, but they added something awesome. Like, obviously, it looks incredible. This is all so good, but check this out. Custom t-shirts, you can build a custom t-shirt where you can choose the design that you want. Obviously, I'm gonna go with purple, and then we're gonna put this cool geometric pattern on it, and it slides in and looks amazing. This is such a cool twist on a project that is already very complex. Awesome job, Paul.